How to whiten teeth in Snapseed. So first, just open up your Snapseed app. And once you're here, you just simply need to click on this plus icon and it will show your gallery. Then pick a picture that you want to use. So here, I'm just going to use this picture that I've already uploaded, which is this one. Then after that, click on tools or tap on tools right here. Once you've tapped on it, just simply find the black and white option under the style. Then you simply tap on it. Now once that is done, just simply click on dark, then tap on this icon to edit out the levels. So for brightness, I'm just going to set it at 20, just like that. And for contrast, I'm going to set it to 37, just like that. Now once that's done, just simply click on the check right here. Now once you're here, just simply click on this tag icon here on the top, then tap on the three dot icon, then click on apply mask. Once you've clicked on it, you just simply need to zoom in just so that you could brush off the parts of your teeth. So just like that, as you can see, I'm just going to do it again, apply mask. And you just want to make sure that this is disabled, this icon on the top, so that you will see it turning white just like that. If you want to use the red option, it's okay also. You just simply need to remove it once you're done. So you simply need to repeat the process until you're satisfied with the results. So I'm just going to do this with one tooth just to basically show you the process. So it should look something like that. And once you're done with everything will be nice. That is the difference. So this is the one that's not edited, but this is the one that is edited. So if you want a cleaner look, you just simply need to take your time on doing this, just like that. But once that is done, you are good to go. And if you want to save the changes, you just simply need to tap on this plus or this check icon here on the bottom right and tap on save as look, then tap on back. And as you can see, it has been applied just like that. And that is how I basically whiten teeth in Snapseed.